we're gonna continue with the product of sum form. When we speak, just like the name suggests, product of sum, that means there is some variables that have been added together, and their product gives you that expression. So we can see the examples of these expressions just like there is a sum of a complement and the b, and there is also another sum which is involving a and the b complement and c. Then these two sums have been multiplied, that is finding their product. So that's why we get this product of sums. Yeah, just like in the previous, the complement is not allowed to be over more than one variable. It can be on only more than one variable. And when we look at this product of sum, it actually involves ending, as we saw in the previous SOAP expression. When we are changing the SOAP expression to the standard SOAP expression, we are just involving the rule of the Boolean law, which involved addition, but here we're going to involve the Boolean law, which involves multiplication. So when we speak of the standard product of sum form, it's just the same like in the SOAP expression, that what happens is that those variables in the domain of the expression are not included in every sum. So if an expression is in that way, that means it's not in the standard form. So like here a d is missing, here a c is missing, but here all of them are present, so something like that. And in order to change them to the standard product of sum, here now we are going to apply the law which involves multiplication. So we are going to take the variable times its complement, while in the SOAP we were just taking the variable plus its component. So those are just the steps, as you can see. So we are going to be dealing with this law, whereby we are going to take that sum which we had plus a variable and its complement, and when we add these two, we're going to get something like that. So let's see an example to understand more. For example, here, as you can see, here d is missing, so we are going to take this whole thing, we are going to add it with the multiplication of d and d complement, and we are going to get something like this. We're going to get this whole thing plus a d, and this whole thing plus a d complement. So just as simple as that we are going to get. So we are going to do that until we get all the variables that are missing. So for example, here we are missing only a d, so we're going to be done with this part. But when you come here, we're missing an a. Yeah, so we're going to get this thing, and so the whole expression will look just like that. So here there's just some questions.